how to get voice chat on Roblox on PlayStation 5. You want to open up Roblox here, the Roblox game. And once you have Roblox loaded here, I'll just give it some time. Alright, so once you have Roblox loaded, you want to go into the three dots here in the top right, click on more, and then you will go into the settings, so click on settings. Now from here, make sure that cross-platform play is enabled, so just click on the X button here on your controller to enable it, and go back. Once we have done this, make sure that your microphone is also enabled. So this button here, you want to press this button if it's orange, and you will see the little microphone icon in the top right appear. That means that your mic is turned on. Now, if you have not set up voice chat previously on your PC or phone, you will need to do that. But if you have it set up like me, you will be able to use voice chat in games. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.